Market order: buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, sell stop. We have buy now, sell now. These are market orders, and if you don't fully understand how they work or when to use them, they will cost you money. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to use them or when to use them. If you use them wrong, they will cost you money, and we don't want that. For beginners, what's a buy or sell? These are market orders. When you buy, at the same time you are selling. So a buy or sell market order, this is a market orders. You enter now, you enter now. Simple. So if you press buy, you enter now. If you press sell, you enter now. You get filled at ask price or bid price. So let me explain the market orders for everybody to understand. It's that simple. Let's start with the buy limit. The buy limit, it's simple. It's an order that will automatically change to be a buy once it has actually reached the ask or bid price has reached the buy limit price. In this case, let's do let's do like this. You open the MT4 5 section charts. We have codes, we have charts. Then we have this icon here. Once you click this icon, you'll be able to see this sell limit. So let's change it and go to another asset. By the way, all right, if you're looking to do analysis, we have another tutorial on this channel how to do analysis. Let's actually open another asset. Let's choose an asset that we will like. Let's add an asset here. Euro USD. Let's go with Euro USD. Let's go with Euro USD. Go back. And we tap on Euro USD chart. Then we want to use these orders here. If we tap on codes, we go back and tap here, and we tap on new order. We tap here on market execution. You'll be able to see these limits. It's simple. These are orders that are just pending for the market or this current price to reach them and execute them. Now we have a market execution. Market execution is an order that we say buy now and sell now. If we click or press the buy or sell, it's that simple. And here we have the lot size. This is the volume. If you're looking to understand what's a lot size, we have another tutorial on this channel. How to set a stop loss, we have another tutorial on this channel. And let's go back so that we can be able to open this chart and make those orders much simpler for you to understand. We tap on this icon here. This is MT4 5. If you're looking to use Trading View, MT4 4 is the same thing. It's just that we don't have these features in the same way that I will explain here. So we tap here, this icon. See this icon here, this time icon, and this is the sell limit order. And when we look below here, we have this feature here, so we can move it below. If we move it below, we have buy limit. If we move it above, we have sell limit. So it's that simple. We just change time frame to 1 minute so that you understand better. We tap here again. This is what we have. If we move it below, it's buy limit. Move it above, sell limit. Below, sell, buy limit, sell limit, buy limit, sell limit. So let me explain the buy limit. The buy limit is just, you see this price here. If this line, the green and red line, reach this price, the order will be executed to be a buy. So what we're telling the market, what we're really telling the broker, because when we buy, we're buying via the broker. So if right now the price reach this line, it will execute this trade and it will automatically be a buy. So we can actually modify it using this icon over here. Then it will be a buy limit. Now the sell limit is the same. If you go up, if the price or this red and green reach this price, it will execute this sell limit and it will change to be a sell. To set it, we click this icon here, then we say set. Now let's bring it a little bit closer so that we can be able to set it now and make it to be to actually execute the trade now. But we have this arrow here. This arrow here is now not showing that we can be able to set it. But if we move it above here, we can be able to set it. Why? Let me explain that quick before we actually come back. Go to code, scroll all the way down, tap on here, tap on properties. If you're using an iPhone, you go to details, then tap here, and you'll be able to see stop levels. The stop level here is 20. This 20 is in points. So if you're looking to understand what are points, what's happening with points, please watch the tutorial that I provide here on our YouTube channel. These points represent that you can set a sell limit, buy limit, these pending orders, these are pending orders after 20 points, right? Above 20 points, when you look at the current price, that the green and red line. So let's go back and we tap here, and we tap on chart, we tap again, and now we can be able to see. So from here to here, it will be 20 points. So we click this arrow and set it quick, simple. We say we place, and you see the price that we have here. This is the limit. So we say place, and then the order is placed just like that. We click done. We have a sell limit here, right? Now when we tap again, we can set a buy limit by moving it down, set it, place. That's it. Order is placed. Now the market is just waiting for this graph to get these lines to get here, and then the order is executed. And now when we tap again here, when we go back like this, I want you to note something. Once we tap here, we are changing now to sell stop. So a sell stop, what's a sell stop order? If you're a beginner, I did not explain the buy limit. The buy limit is just an order that will be executed if the graph goes down. So you can see here. So if we place the buy limit order here, we're waiting for the graph to get in here and continue that direction, right? The buy stop is a different one. So let's explain the sell limit. The sell limit, we're placing the order here. We're waiting for the graph to go up and execute that order and go down. So this is what our main goal to actually take away. So with the sell stop is an opposite, which means we are moving, or we're continuing that direction. If the graph is continuing this direction, we can set a sell stop here. Then we are now able to move towards that direction. So this sell stop will change to be a sell, and we can now modify it, just place. Let's go back and place it. Let's place it. We tap here, it will change to be a sell stop. If we change it above, it will be a buy stop. Below, sell stop. Above, buy stop. Below, sell stop. Above, buy stop. Right, let's set it, and we tap here, we tap place. Simple, and our order is placed. Now we have the sell stop. Now we can also do the buy stop. Just here above, and we click here, modify, and we click. That is just like that. So now we have the pending orders. If we tap here, you can see the pending orders here. These are the pending orders, and let's close our profit here. But anyway, it's fine. We can leave it for now since we are risking. So we can close this one, right? But no. We have that mentality. Let's close all positions. Yeah, perfect. Now we can if right now we're waiting and we would like to close these orders, we can just click on the three dot icon there and click delete all orders, or delete limit orders, delete stop orders, and then we can delete all. Simple. Then they'll be gone. Go to chart again. We click this icon. We have this last order that we can use. We tap here 1, 2. We tap it 2 times. Then we see sell stop limit. What is the sell stop limit? Sell stop limit is just an order that we manage. I did not explain the buy stop. The buy stop is a continuation. We place a stop. The market is continuing that direction. Goes with you. The opens, it becomes a buy. The same with the sell stop. With the sell stop limit, it's the order that is like this, a continuation. But then, what it uses a sell. As you see here, we have the sell stop limit. So the price, this graph has to reach here first before it actually execute the trade here. So if right now this red and green line reaches here, activates this sell stop limit, our sell limit will be here. So this is just an order that will change to be a sell limit. It's not a sell stop, it's a sell limit order, right? And a buy limit order. This order is actually giving us control to say that, okay, the price has to reach here first and before it reach our sell limit. So this is our sell limit, not sell stop. Yeah, it's our sell limit. So I trust you will understand. If you have some difficulties, let me know. So we can go ahead and set it. If we move above, remember it's going to be a buy stop limit, below sell stop limit, above buy stop limit. You see, simple. So now we can go ahead and set it, and we can set where we want the price to be. In this case, we want the price to be our sell limit. If right now we place it here, let's place the buy source limit, place it above here. So it first has to reach here before it reaches here. So let's do that now. Click here, click place. Just like that, we have our buy stop limit. This graph has to reach here first before it actually execute our entry here. Now we can go ahead and set the one of a sell stop limit 1 2, and this is a sell stop limit, and the price we want to set the sell limit here, but we want the graph or chart or this blue and green line to reach here first, and then we click here and we place. Let's go back and we place. Let's place quick. We place 1 2. All right, then we place here just like that, and we place. The order is placed. Now we can go to trade and we're able to see it. Right now we can set stop loss. How to set a stop loss is simple. You tap here, you can set a stop loss. It's simple. So if you have some difficulties with actually using these orders, you let me know how to actually where you're failing to actually set these orders, and the main goal why are you actually needing these orders. It's also sometimes if you're trading news, you need these orders so that you can avoid slippage, have control, right? If you're trading news fundamentals, if you're new to fundamentals, you don't know what fundamentals are, we have another tutorial in this channel whereby I explain what are fundamentals, how to use them. So it's important to actually use these orders if only you know how the analysis that you are using. In this case, for me, I use the market order. I buy now, I sell now, because I value speed. I value speed. If you don't value speed, like if you don't want to actually be in that market, you're just analyzing using a certain strategy, maybe ICT, SMC, support and resistance, and you know for sure that if right now we swept here, we did this here confirmations, you can now use the buy limit, sell limit. But using these orders, you must understand that it's important to respect the market and be patient. You can't just use these orders like if you want to trade the news, right? So let me know in the comment section below if are you someone who's using these orders, or you are just like me using the market execution. You buy now, you sell now. Let me know on the comment section below. I love you all. Stay blessed. And now if you understand market orders and they make sense to you, make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, share the videos with others. I will see you on another tutorial whereby I will explain more as to what you need to know when it comes to doing analysis using these market orders. But for me, I use the market order buy now, sell now. So this is how you use the market orders. Setting stop loss is simple. You tap on this horizontal line, you click SL, then you set your stop loss. Remember, stop loss for sell is below, stop loss of a buy, it's above. It's simple. So the sell limit price is here, so you set the stop loss above here. You don't set it below here, because if this graph reaches here, it will activate the sell limit here, then the stop loss must be somewhere here. So you must know the logic of a stop loss that you are setting, the context behind it, and it's important to actually use these orders if only you know how to actually do the analysis. You can't just use these orders but you do not know how to analyze the market. So stay blessed. I love you all.